The Toyota Auris Hybrid allows you to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. This discontinued but still relevant model uses Bluetooth versions 2.1 to 4.0. Make sure the car is safely parked before starting. If you encounter problems with Bluetooth pairing, start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Next, delete any existing pairings from both your phone and the car. Then repeat the pairing process from the beginning. Check for interference from other Bluetooth devices in the area, as this can disrupt the connection. Try restarting both your smartphone and the car's infotainment system to refresh the connection. If the issues continue, consult your Auris Hybrid's owner's manual or visit a Toyota service center for further assistance. The Auris Hybrid's Bluetooth system works with both iOS and Android devices. You'll get the best performance with phones using Bluetooth 3.0 or higher. It supports A2DP for music streaming and HFP for hands-free calling. However, smartphones with Bluetooth 5.0 or newer might have some compatibility issues due to the vehicle's older technology. Bluetooth profiles are specific sets of capabilities that define how your phone communicates with your car's system. Two key profiles in the Toyota Auris Hybrid are A2DP and HFP. A2DP, or Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, enables high-quality audio streaming from your phone directly to the car's speakers. This allows you to play music, podcasts, or any audio content through your vehicle's sound system. HFP, or Hands-Free Profile, allows you to make and receive phone calls hands-free through the car's system. It uses the built-in microphone and speakers, letting you stay focused on driving while talking safely. To ensure full functionality, make sure these profiles are enabled in your phone's Bluetooth settings. This typically involves going to your phone's Bluetooth menu and confirming A2DP and HFP are active for the Auris Hybrid connection. The Auris Hybrid's Bluetooth system is simpler than those found in newer Toyota models, like the Corolla Hybrid. It uses older Bluetooth versions 3.0 to 4.0, lacking advanced features such as wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. In contrast, the 2023 Corolla Hybrid supports Bluetooth 5.2, offering faster pairing and lower latency for a smoother experience. This means Auris owners have basic functionality compared to the seamless wireless integration in newer models. Keep these limitations in mind when comparing functionality between the Auris and modern Toyota hybrids. If your Auris Hybrid's Bluetooth feels outdated, consider aftermarket upgrades for better features. You can replace the head unit with modern systems that support newer Bluetooth versions like 5.0 and above, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. These upgrades also provide enhanced audio streaming and improved voice control capabilities. Popular brands for these upgrades include Parrot and Pioneer, which offer user-friendly interfaces and reliable performance. Here are examples of these systems in action. The Parrot system features touch controls and album art display. The Pioneer AVH 2400 NEX includes app icons for phone, music, and navigation. And this Sony upgrade shows a modern infotainment system in an Auris dashboard. Before purchasing, research compatibility with your specific Auris model to ensure proper fit and function. It's also important to have the upgrade professionally installed to avoid electrical issues or warranty problems. To maintain a stable Bluetooth connection, regularly update your phone's operating system. This ensures compatibility with the Auris Hybrid's Bluetooth module and fixes any known connectivity bugs. Periodically clear your phone's Bluetooth cache to remove stored connection data that may cause pairing issues. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, and reset app preferences for Bluetooth-related apps. Regular maintenance of your Auris Hybrid's electrical system prevents connectivity issues. Check battery terminals, fuses, and wiring connections to ensure stable power delivery to the Bluetooth module. Although the Auris Hybrid is discontinued, maintaining its Bluetooth features enhances usability and preserves the vehicle's value for daily driving.